Welcome to Future Tools Daily. The good news is that AI tools can help you work faster, learn faster, and become more productive. Today, I'm sharing 5 free AI tools that everyone should know. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. It can help you write emails, generate content ideas, summarize information, learn new skills, and answer questions. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, ChatGPT can save you hours of work every week. Number 2. Canva AI. Canva AI makes design easy for everyone. You can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, logos, and graphics in just a few minutes. Even beginners can create professional-looking designs without any design experience. Number 3. Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI-powered search assistant. Unlike traditional search engines, it provides direct answers along with sources. It's perfect for research, learning, and finding reliable information quickly. Number 4. Grammarly. Grammarly helps improve your writing instantly. It checks grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or social media posts, Grammarly helps you sound more professional. Number 5. Notion AI. Notion AI is a powerful productivity assistant. It can summarize notes, generate content, organize tasks, and help you stay productive. It's especially useful for students, content creators, and professionals. These 5 free AI tools can help you save time, improve productivity, and work smarter every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.